I learned this trick with an Italian friend, so I don't make it any other way. We'll use 250 grams of pasta. It's already cooked, okay? I'm using spaghetti here. And let's add 240 milliliters of heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, salt to taste, black pepper, and let's mix everything, guys, okay? The eggs are raw this way. Mix everything very well, and then we are going to put it in a form, in a cake form, okay? I'm using a rectangled one. It's not gonna work, but keep calm there, guys. After I learned how to make it this way, I don't make it any other way, seriously. Let's put all of this pasta this way. It has to be very plain, okay, and cover all of the corners. Now let's use some chicken breast, and we are going to put into flour, and then I'm gonna pass into eggs with seasons, there's no secret, and to finish it with breadcrumbs, okay? I used 5 chicken breasts. There's no secret for this part, okay, guys? And then we are going to fry them. So in a frying pan, let's add a lot of oil and fry the chicken breasts. Fry on one side and then fry on the other side. No secret, like I said. And this chicken is gonna give a special touch to our pasta. After frying all of it very well, we are going to continue with our recipe. Now let's cover the pasta with mozzarella and all of the chicken breasts, okay? And after that, more cheese, guys. And another layer of pasta. Finish with a lot of pasta and tomato sauce, guys. I used the tomato sauce that you buy in the supermarket, but if you want to make it and you prefer it, you can do it, okay? And I finished it with more mozzarella and take it to the oven. Here it's just to melt the cheese, okay? So it's not so long inside of the oven. The pasta is already cooked, the chicken is already fried. It's just the cheese to be melted. It's about 10 minutes in the preheated oven, okay? It could take a little longer, it depends on your oven. And our meat with pasta is already done, guys. Seriously, it looks weird, but I'm pretty sure that you and all of your family is gonna fall in love with this recipe. It's super different, it is very delicious and tasty. It surprises you in all levels, but it's amazing, seriously. Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it. Kisses and see you on the next video.